Elite Hong Kong club crashes market for $256,000 memberships. Pepsi, Israeli flag, logo creates online froth in Lebanon. 500,000 books have been deleted from the Internet Archive's lending library.
Hindu Jha family, UK's richest, facing charges for human trafficking, paying domestic staff less than spending on dog in Switzerland. Mysterious metal monolith shows up in Las Vegas after reappearing in Wales. North Korea troop casualties reported after landmine explosions in DMZ.
Resident Alien moves to USA Network with Season 4 renewal. Game of Thrones spin-off, A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms begins filming as The Crown. True Detective actors join cast. Sony confirms a sequel to Tom Holland-led Uncharted movie is in the works. Ed Sheeran beats Taylor Swift as UK's most played artist for 7th time. British actor Ian McKellen recovering after falling off London's stage. Willie Mays, baseball's do-it-all Say Hey Kid, dies at 93.
Matt Damon and Ben Affleck to star in crime thriller, R.I.P., from Artists Equity and Joe Carnahan. Netflix uses Squid Game playbook for untapped Southeast Asia, as Netflix showcases Southeast Asian slate of films and series including new titles from Joko Anwar, Kimo Stambul, and Carlo Ledesma.
Queen catalog to be acquired by Sony for $1.2 billion. Kendrick Lamar brings 25 LA artists together for Juneteenth show, playing Drake diss track, Not Like Us, 5 times. Gracie Abrams drops new duet with Taylor Swift, Us. Justin Timberlake's arresting officer reportedly didn't know who he was. The Hunger Games Oscar winner Donald Sutherland dies at 88. Bugatti Tourbillon hypercar revealed with 1775 HP Hybrid V16 powertrain, as Bugatti goes electric with Tourbillon, the Chiron successor.
Eiffel Tower ticket prices increase by 20% in bid to save Paris Iron Lady. A new reality show will pay cash if players can convince experts the Earth is flat. George R.R. Martin says new Game of Thrones prequel will be out in early 2025.
Most Americans approve of DI, according to Washington Post and Ipsos poll. In Spain, the Andalusian government demands that Vox apologize for the barbarity of stating that in the classrooms there is indoctrination, including pedophilia. Animal homosexual behavior underreported by scientists, survey shows.
Insecticides contribute to drop in butterfly species across U.S. Midwest, as per a study. Study shows wild chimpanzees seek out medicinal plants to treat illness and injuries. Study finds plants store carbon for shorter periods than thought.
Study shows fish may use punishment to promote help from their offspring. Locusts have brains built for complex odor processing. Team of biologists discover fluorescence in 27 marine creatures.
Star collisions. Astronomers detect sudden awakening of black hole 1 meter times mass of sun.
Ohio train derailment caused chemical pollution falling to Earth's surface across the U.S. and beyond, study reveals. New study finds at least 1 in 4 U.S. residential yards exceeds new EPA-led soil level guideline. San Francisco is the worst-run city in the United States, study finds.
Satellites like Starlink could deplete Earth's ozone layer, study says. Russia to expand satellite network to improve internet coverage in remote areas, announced Putin. In Australia, planes left to land, take off on their own amid staffing crisis.
Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra runs Fallout 4 and many other PC games with more than playable frame rates. Apple suspends work on next Vision Pro, focused on releasing cheaper model in late 2025. Meta releases Threads API for developers to build unique integrations. M4 MacBook Pro models expected to launch in late 2024. WatchOS 11 brings automatic nap detection to Apple Watch. Ferrari is removing built-in NIV because who even uses that?
U.S. drops claims that TikTok misled users over Chinese access in privacy lawsuit as U.S. Department of Justice plans to sue TikTok over children's privacy violations, Bloomberg News reports. In the U.S., new AI deepfake porn bill would require big tech to police and remove images. EU cancels vote on child sexual abuse law amid encryption concerns.
French diplomatic entities targeted by Russian-aligned Nobelium. Chinese cyber espionage targets telecom operators in Asia since 2021. Level Blue Labs discovers highly evasive, new loader, squid loader targeting Chinese organizations. Phoenix Secure Core UEFI firmware bug affects Intel processors. New Rust-based fickle malware uses PowerShell for UAC bypass and data exfiltration. China targets US with hacking contests, and 1 month ago, $2.5 million offered at upcoming Matrix Cup Chinese hacking contest.
New York bans addictive feeds for teens. In the US, Pornhub to block 5 more states over age verification laws. In Ireland, High Court dismisses Reddit and Tumblr challenges over new online safety code.
In Kiel, it has been reported that blackbirds imitate sounds of e-scooters. Self-driving cars found to be safer, except at dawn, dusk, or when turning, according to study. Japan focuses on smart cars as automakers fall behind US, China.
Alibi investigates alleged data breach affecting millions. U.S. sanctions Kaspersky executives following ban of its software.
X will soon limit the ability to live stream to premium subscribers. Spotify launches less expensive basic premium plan without audio. Thailand to become first Southeast Asian country to legalize same-sex marriage. In Spain, the Constitutional Court endorses that girls aged 16 and 17 can have an abortion without parental consent. In the U.S., Justice Department finds state of Missouri unnecessarily institutionalizes adults with mental health disabilities in skilled nursing facilities in violation of the Americans with Disabilities Act and improperly relies on guardianship.
UK children shorter, fatter, and sicker amid poor diet and poverty, report finds. Reportedly, the sugar content drops, and so does obesity. Assault on U.S. avocado inspectors in Mexican state led to suspension of inspections. UAE to legalize abortion in cases of rape and incest in landmark reform. In the U.S., Democrats moved to repeal 1873 law they say could pave way for national abortion ban. In France, sexual and gender-based violence on the rise at École Polytechnique, according to an internal investigation.
Gilead's twice-yearly lenacapavir demonstrated 100% efficacy and superiority to daily Truvada for HIV prevention, with first Phase 3 HIV prevention trial ever to show 0 infections. In world first,